You might have seen recently that a new butter is hitting the shelves from a Bill Gates backed company. Surprise, surprise. They claim that this lab made butter is far superior than regular old boring butter that we've been thriving on for thousands of years because, well, science. They say it'll eliminate farming, reduce our carbon footprint, and therefore save the planet. And hey, even Gates, the man himself, said it tastes like the real thing. To make this Franken butter, they take carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and oxygen, heat them up, and oxidize them to create these fat molecules that mimic dairy butter. Pure lab magic. I mean, what could go wrong, right? Is it me? Or does this whole idea seem like another example of man trying to play God? First off, nature has already nailed butter. It is delicious and it's packed with vitamins and healthy fats. But they're also ignoring the natural carbon cycle. Cows aren't the bad guys here. They recycle carbon through grazing, producing methane that eventually breaks down and is part of a balanced biogenic loop. Plants absorb that same carbon via photosynthesis. So why mess with nature's systems? Not to mention the potential health risks of this lab experiment. Remember when they said margarine was healthier than butter? And then it turns out it contributed to heart disease and chronic inflammation. It feels like that same story all over again. Just look at the track record of the health impacts of artificial food in general. And their sustainable claim, I assume this process takes a mass amount of energy, likely on grids reliant on fossil fuels. And to put that on a larger scale would involve huge industrial setups just to replace what cows are doing with a patch of grass. They're even looking at using this butter in chocolates for the holiday season this year, and I wonder if that will be disclosed on the packet. But what are your thoughts on this carbon-based butter? Would you try it, or would you just stick to real butter?